farmers of Bolgam have no regrets. And yet, 300 meters from where their village ends, begins land earmarked for industry. Land that had been theirs for generations. Land they could also have gone to war over. But wars can be avoided. All it needs is some planning and thinking out of the box. Here in Sanand, some 40-odd kilometers from the heart of Ahmedabad, there is no conflict. There is no conflict between agriculture and industry. There is no land war. And this factory here, this stands symbol of how industry and agriculture can coexist. How booming industry can replace subsistence level farming. When Nano left West Bengal, Narendra Modi's Gujarat stepped forward as the savior. 20 kilometers from Ahmedabad's city limit, the state government gave over to the Tatars land to set up the first nano plant. And since then, everything has changed. A 30,000 hectare economic zone in Sanand poses no trouble for the administration. Land value around the nano factory increased by leaps and bounds, and the Gujarat Industrial Development Corporation, charged with setting up the industrial zone, saw to it that farmers happily agreed to take compensation and leave their land.
Farmers are not deprived of their residencies, and for that matter, with a view to having future development of the village, we will not acquire land within the buffer zone of 300 meters from the boundary of the village.
The villages in Sanand have changed. There are cars on its dusty roads, and concrete has replaced mud as the chosen building medium. Villagers say that prompt and just payments made while acquiring their land has meant that the money they received not only changed their lifestyle, but its effects also spread outwards to other villages further away.
पहले भी खेती करते थे, अब भी खेती करते हैं। 14 बीघा जमीन वो नैनो में दी, जीआईडीसी में दी मतलब। बाद में हमने 60 बीघा जमीन खरीदी और यहाँ 28,53,000 के भाव से करीब बार का 1200 रुपया। तो बाजू के गांव में आगे हमने थोड़ी सस्ते में खरीदी है।
Looking to the amount we are disbursing, they are very happily offering us more and more land.
The regular and timely payment of compensation is a well-oiled operation. The land acquisition officer and his team come, verify records and identify, and then hand over checks then and there. The bank manager waits outside the panchayat office. The farmers come out and hand their checks over, and the money is safe in their accounts. But it is not just a smooth system here that has kept land wars away. It also has to do with a bit of regional peculiarity.
If you take a case of a village, then the residencies of the farmers is located centrally within the village, which is called Gamtad, and the farms are scattered around the Gamtal in the village. As against this, if you take the example of West Bengal or Kerala, each farm is having the residence of the farmer, and that results into abrasion while acquiring the land in other states.